I invite you to settle into a meditation, a space to breathe, to feel, and to carry the energy of this moment into the world. Connecting with your breath. Connect with your body. And just take in the deepest breath that you've taken today. And slowly exhale. And just feel your shoulders soften and your mind begin to quiet and gently drop into your heart space. Feel it opening, so soft and yet so strong. Right now, you are arriving not just into stillness, but into your own presence. A presence that connects you to something far greater than your physical body. And beneath the surface of thought, beyond the roles that we play, there is one vast field of consciousness. It's a single rhythm of life beating through all creation. And in this sacred moment, you are part of it. You always have been. That's right. You are not separate. You are one breath in the collective body of humanity. One heartbeat in a universal song. Imagine a warm, radiant light glowing at the center of your chest, soft, yet so powerful, gentle and steady. And with every breath, it expands, growing brighter, stronger, more alive. So feel that light lifting your energy, raising your vibration, turning your body and spirit to a higher frequency of love and awareness. With each inhale, that frequency rises higher, and with each exhale, it stabilizes stronger and stronger, brighter and brighter. Feel it spreading through your chest, following through your arms and legs, illuminating every cell of your being. This is the light of life itself, your highest vibration, your truest essence. And as it grows, see it reaching beyond you, touching the hearts of those beside you, merging with the lights of others, weaving into a luminous tapestry of soul energy. And with every breath, sense that connection deepen. Every breath you take, someone else, somewhere, is breathing too. And every heartbeat echoes another's heartbeat, because in truth, we are one. Feel this truth vibrating through you, connecting you to the child who is hungry, to the elder who is seeking comfort, and to the stranger searching for peace. This is the essence of who you are, who we are, and who we all will always be. And now, let that radiant light flow outward, beyond this room, across our community, our country, rippling around the globe. And just see it reaching humanity, especially those in need, the lost, the weary, the unseen. Those that are grieving, their faces gently illuminated because their hearts are brightened by this collective light. And just feel this wave of compassion expanding now. You're doing just fine. As soft golden threads connecting one another, heart to another heart, because there's no strangers here, just only reflections of the same divine source. Breathe it in deeply. Just take this moment and really ignore that thought that says, oh my goodness, we got to get going. Feel the peace moving through you like water, and let your frequency continue to rise higher, higher, stronger and stronger with every breath. This is your collective spirituality, and it goes beyond your belief. This is embodiment. And it feels just right. It's how we speak. It's how we listen. It's how we care. Each kind word, each conscious act becomes an offering to the whole. So quietly within yourself, make this inner promise, this vow that you will live awake, to raise your frequency through compassion, to see divinity in every being. Because when one of us awakens, humanity arises. And when one of us heals, the collective becomes whole. Taking in one last breath. And as you exhale, just feel yourself grounded, peaceful, fully present. You're filled with a radiant knowing that you are never alone and that you are something, part of something so infinite, so sacred, so divine. And when you are ready, bring your awareness back and carry your light, your higher frequency, into the world.